In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping in Big Cartel. This is an important step because it ensures your customers know how much delivery will cost and how your orders will be shipped. First, log in to your Big Cartel account and open your dashboard. From there, go to the Settings section where all your store options are managed. Next, find and click on the Shipping section. This is where you will set up how you deliver your products to customers. Now you can start adding your shipping rates. Choose whether you want to set a flat rate, free shipping, or location-based shipping depending on your business needs. For example, you might set one price for local orders and another for international orders. After that, enter the shipping cost and make sure it matches your delivery method. If you offer multiple shipping options, repeat the process for each one. Once everything is set, double-check your rates to make sure they are correct and easy for customers to understand. Finally, click Save to apply your shipping settings. And that's it. You've successfully set up shipping in Big Cartel, and your store is now ready to deliver products to customers smoothly.